Hi students, welcome to ARK Reflections IAS. I hope now all of you are in the mains mode and I am sure you guys are waiting to do something for the mains. Don't delay your preparation until the results are announced. Even if you are in the borders, please start preparing for the mains examination. The number of days that are left for the mains are very less this time. It is approximately 2 months, right? So you have 60 to 70 days in between. So you cannot delay things. You cannot wait until the results are announced. If you start something post result, the things will get out of hands, right? We don't want this thing. So at least if you are not able to do the preparation, what you can do is whatever the content that you have studied during the prelims time period for your general studies, right? You have studied already the polity part, you have studied your history part, your ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture, geography. Why not start writing on these aspects? Because this will not take a lot of energy for you. Side by side, if you can do the optional, you can do, that would be the better thing. So this should be our right strategy for the preparation. See, so that's the, in this case, thinking on those lines, we have launched the 63 days program right from the general studies paper 1. So total on this area, you have totally daily tests. Daily you will be getting 5 questions. Without the evaluation will be there, synopsis will be given, but discussion will be there. So total 40 daily tests will be there, and there will be 8 sectional tests with a proper evaluation, and then there will be 8 essay tests with 4 essay tests where you will be getting the evaluation and 2 full length tests on the lines of the UPSC exam. And whenever you get any kind of doubts and questions, like I will be there and different mentors, all of our team will be there when you are writing the daily test and all. After the discussion, still if you are getting the doubts, you can sit with the mentors and do the one-to-one discussion and you can resolve your doubts. And now coming to why the art of answer writing is important is, let me tell you. See here, first, for everything to score marks in the mains, content is the king. You should get proper content. Since you have the daily question things, so you will study and revise the content, then content is the king. Then whatever the content that you have learned, you are going to implement. The implementation is the second part. If you have this thing and if you do not have this thing, you are not going to pass your mains examination, because the evaluator does not know who the person writing. Okay, he does not know, or he or she does not know what this person is about, how much this person has put the efforts. So whatever that you write in this A4 size blank paper, so that is what it is going to tested and evaluated. And to present something in 7 minutes or 9 minutes on this paper, you need to practice a lot. Most of the times what happens is, you might be presenting properly for 10 questions, 12 questions or 15 questions, but you will be missing 3 questions, 4 questions, 5 questions, not presenting well. And that is what it is going to decide your fate. Maybe you might reach till the interview stage, or maybe you might be missing margin of final cutoff by 1-2 marks, or you might be not getting the best service. So why to do these things? Instead, give properly and give proper attention to your mains. And here how this program is unique is, in this case, see here, you might be writing various kinds of the tests, and here one thing that we assure is, whoever has given the mains or interviews, they will be available for you for the mentorship. So at many places, these kind of facilities are not available and the mentors or the faculties are not accessible. So here we will make sure that you are coming, you are writing the time on time, and your papers are getting evaluated and you are getting the one-to-one feedback from the mentors. So if this is what you are looking, if really you are looking to improve your answer writing, then this is your definitely a right place. Okay, schedule those things, how writing and all, these are very common things. You can write it multiple places, but are you getting the really right evaluators and the mentors with you? So that's what, this is how the program is going to be a different one. Okay, so this is the program is about. To get more, if you enroll early, you will also get the discount, and you can call on these numbers to get more details. Okay, so our plan is to finish all the things within the 63 days, the daily answer writing program. And within this, there would be sectional tests. See here, just let me show you the schedule, how it goes. See, first we will do the daily answer writing, and in between on the Saturdays, you will be practicing the essay questions. And then on the Sunday, you will be having the sectional test on whatever the content that you have studied. So it is giving you opportunity to cover the entire paper. So within the 2 weeks, almost you are going to cover the entire paper, because you have totally 2 months itself. So at least in a month you need to cover 2 papers. So that's how we are going to plan. But somehow you can also bring the flexibility. For suppose if you want to study more time for the general studies too, you can allot more time. Accordingly, you can fine tune your preparation, because there should not be any fixed strategy. But this is a broad strategy that we have provided to you. Okay, you can fine tune it according to your requirement. You can also sit and discuss with us, your mentors and all. You can start preparing. You cannot prepone the test schedules, okay, that is not possible. This test itself, you can make it flexible, write it later on, those things that can be done, but it should not be at the cost of your discipline and all, right? So discipline has to be maintained and things has to be done in a proper manner. See, when you think, when you brainstorm, when you are practicing daily, when you are bleeding before the exam, then only right things happen in the exam. Okay, so if you can do these things, if you utilize this 60-65 days properly, then definitely you can have a very good chances to get a very good main score. Okay, whatever the issues that we have faced while during our preparation, the same issues students should not face, and they should get the right feedback, and so the intention is this program. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any doubts and any concerns, please contact us on these numbers and make best use of the program. Thank you and bye bye, and meet you soon.